Hi, I'm Charvet Aturis. As a registered nurse, I see firsthand the physical devastation of the coronavirus pandemic. As a mental health nurse, I've witnessed an increase in physiological challenges, including depression and anxiety. With millions of people applying for unemployment, employers forced to close their doors and slash their workforces, it's no wonder individuals and families feel mentally and financially distraught. I wanted to do something to help because life as we once knew will never be the same. And I wanted to give people a sense of security, knowing that when they venture out into the public that they are safe. And in the midst of the pandemic, they can have a way to fuel their financial economy without ever leaving their home. I especially wanted to reach those who are experiencing challenging times or those in at-risk communities that may not have access to even the basics to survive. Because of this, I have partnered with an international manufacturer that has been very instrumental with its product in controlling the spread of viruses in hotspots around the world. Millions have benefited in East Asia and now here in the United States, giving people peace of mind that they are protected. Speaking of peace of mind, are you wondering if your sanitizer is safe? Did you know that there has been an increase in accidental poisoning due to overuse of sanitizers with some brands? Some sanitizers can poison children if ingested, damage the skin due to its high alcohol content, lower your child's immunity, making them vulnerable to various diseases, and cause severe burns as it is highly flammable. Some contain chemicals like phthalates, which can alter genital development and cause infertility. A study by the CDC found that children now show 20 times more phthalate content in their bodies than any time in the past. Triclosan can harm the immune system, cause antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and hormone disruption. It can also cause side effects like cancer, allergies, neurological problems, infertility, and muscle weakness. Now we have an answer. Let me introduce you to a breakthrough innovation, Particle Sanitizer. It's an antimicrobial protectant that is all natural, safe for children and adults, alcohol-free, and lasts up to 4 hours. Unlike other brands, our sanitizer is a body protectant that can be sprayed on your face, hands, hair, and clothing, providing an added layer of protection. That's a huge difference between Particle Sanitizer and other brands. It's FDA approved and does not contain any harmful chemicals or toxins, providing maximum protection against bacteria, fungi, and viruses, while killing 99.9% of germs without reapplying for 4 hours. How many of us would like to be safe on the go while using public transportation, riding a train, plane, bus, or taking an Uber or Lyft, or even going on vacation? With our Safe2Go Kit, use our sanitizer to spray your seat, handrail, tray table, area on a plane, and any other surface. For extra added protection, experience our exclusive micronet copper filter reusable mask that can be washed up to 100 times while continuing to protect against airborne particles, making it more cost-effective than disposable masks, which need to be replaced every day. Its two-strap design helps provide a secure seal, making it easy to breathe so you can wear it all day. It features an adjustable metal nose piece for extra comfort and is made to fit anyone. You can even spray our sanitizer onto the mask to provide an added antiviral barrier. If we are going to ever get to the new norm, we have to make sure that everyone has some form of protection. On our mission to help you and your loved ones feel safe, we invite you to join our Buy One, Gift One movement. With every Safe2Go kit that you purchase to protect your family from viruses, we will give you a free sanitizer or mask to donate to a first responder, an essential worker, family member, or friend. Technology is going to play a special role in our lives. Therefore, in order to share information about our movement, we have equipped each of our members with a social distancing platform to help us reach our goal to give away 1 million sanitizers and/or masks to the less fortunate. This exclusive, one-of-a-kind platform includes state-of-the-art lead capture feature, replicated website to promote and market products, access to professional videos and upload personalized videos, easy access to market tools with presentations and brochures. It also has an extra bonus, allowing you to consolidate multiple businesses in one platform to promote and market each of your businesses. Our company has been sending our most valuable products to hotspots around the world, and now we're in the United States. Help us on our quest to galvanize individuals with a heartfelt desire to help protect their loved ones, not just during a pandemic, but for a lifetime, giving them peace of mind as the country adjusts to the new normal. If that person is you, we want you to join our movement. Everyone who joins our movement and partners with us by purchasing a Safe2Go kit, we will share a percentage of the profits with you. That's simple. It's a great way to protect your family and stimulate your personal economy at the same time. Can you imagine getting paid for every sanitizer that's sprayed? Once you decide to partner with us, you receive a link that you can share as often as you like and qualify to earn a percentage of our profit sharing pool. We are committed to sharing our profits up to 3 levels of sales in your social network. What a great way to stimulate your economy. Now is the time that we must look toward the future, how we will change our habits and how we can make a difference to help stop the spread of COVID-19 and other viruses. It is our goal to ensure we protect your family, your home, and your business. When you feel safe, you can venture out with confidence, allowing you to live your best life. With our goal, we need you to help us heal the nation one family at a time. There are 3 easy steps to get started today. Step 1. Become a partner in our Buy One, Gift One movement. Step 2. Purchase one of our Safe2Go kits to protect you and your family. Step 3. Donate the free sanitizer and/or mask. Let's win this fight against viruses and protect our families and loved ones, keeping them safe. Let's decrease anxiety with the pandemic. Help lower the unemployment rate and secure your finances. As a nation, we will get through this. As a nation, we will rise, because together we can truly make a difference.